What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into thrifting or shopping vintage, you're in the right spot. And if you're coming back to the channel, welcome back. I got another unboxing for you today. I was thinking this unboxing wasn't going to happen tonight because the mail came earlier about 2 hours ago and no packages arrived. So I was thinking I was out of luck and going to have to wait till the next day, even though I had like 7 packages that said they were out for delivery. But nevertheless, 3 hours later, the mail lady showed up and dropped off all of my packages. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 actually. So I'm really excited. It was funny seeing her. I opened the door and she was in the van with all the packages. Like, I wish I got a picture of it. It was pretty funny. A lot of things that are going to be in the hat drop this week. It is currently Monday, August 5th, and this is going to be items that are for the hat drop on this Wednesday in 2 days, the 7th. So if I can get this video out in time, you may get a sneak peek of the items available. So first one up here in a small package in a yellow shopping bag. Here's a Miller Genuine Draft Racing. Actually pretty good shape on this. Rusty Wallace number 2 with the Rusty Wallace blockhead on the back. If you're subscribed to the channel, you've seen this one before. This is a very, very popular hat and will be in the hat drop this week, so don't miss out if you missed out on this in previous weeks. It seems like I'm going smallest to largest here. We've got another tiny package in a Pete's Espresso. Looks like somebody was getting some coffee pods. So definitely a reshape here. But we've got a... Oh, nope. I thought the snaps were broken, but they're just unsnapped. We've got a 26 Atlanta Olympic Games. So the 26th Olympic Games, which I have a hard time believing. I feel like there were a lot more Olympics before that. I don't know. Yeah, this one's from the 1996 Atlanta Olympic Games. It's got that Hanes tag right there. Another pretty popular one. All these Olympic hats are going like hotcakes right now, especially because the Olympics are going on. Got another one right here, the NCAA College World Series. We unboxed this one on the last unboxing, a similar hat, but it was in the black and yellow, and it says 1947 and then 1996. So I believe that was the first College World Series, or when the NCAA was founded was 1947. Definitely not when the NCAA was founded, but maybe the first College World Series. But if you know, let me know in the comments. I always like hearing facts about things that I don't know from people in the comments because I don't know everything, and I really want to learn more so I can share these facts with you. Got a ton of bubble wrap on this one, but not taped, luckily. Got a lot of Final Four hats in stock right now. I'm going to make a post about the collection soon, but here's one. Twin Cities 1992 NCAA Final Four on the starter hat with the starter tag right there. I love the snaps from these starter ones. This material is very durable. I don't want to jinx anything, but I love this one. Nice stiffer material, keeps its shape well. So great one here. This was a very popular one last hat drop. Miller Racing, Rusty Wallace number 2. He's been a very popular racer in the with vintage hats, with the Miller Racing ones, with this one, and then the this one right here, the Genuine Draft. There were a lot of hats that were made for him, and I'm here for it. I love them all. That was definitely the doing of Miller, but nevertheless, great hat here. Good, or it's got the tag still on it. So far, we've had a lot of duplicates. If you saw the last unboxing, and here's another duplicate. So last unboxing, we had this Atlanta Olympic Games one, which I'm getting shaped up for the drop. And then there was another one. It was the, I don't have it on me right now, but it is the Super Bowl 26, I think. And it was a black dome, new era with the Washington Redskins. And it was a really cool one. So 2 duplicates on the same unboxing. And here we go with another duplicate on this unboxing. So almost 3 in a row. Rusty Wallace, same one here. So it's basically 2 chances at this hat at the hat drop on the hat drop this week. And then we got one more. I'm really glad these hats showed up today because I usually don't have a ton of time to get the drops ready. Trying to get the hats in every week and then get them all washed and reshaped, because I will never sell a dirty hat, or won't sell a hat that I haven't tried cleaning first at least. So this one right here, to round things out, sort of the best for last, is a 1995 NCAA Final Four. It's got the April 1st and 3rd, I believe. That's not April 13th. That's April 1st and 3rd, I believe. Seattle, Washington. Brand new, no signs of wear at all. #1 apparel. And this one will also be going in that collection post. So a bunch of great hats from this one. And some of these will be in the hat drop on Wednesday. And if you're not up to date with that, new hats every Wednesday at noon Eastern time. Make sure don't miss that. Those are all exclusively on Instagram, so turn on your post notifications. And if you're not subscribed here already, make sure to hit subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. And a lot of people have been asking me to do a video about my personal collection, so if you want to see that, let me know below, and have a nice day.